The Galaxy Ring is set to make its official debut in the latter half of 2024, if the latest report is to be believed. Samsung usually holds a second Galaxy Unpacked event in July or August, but this new rumor suggests that the wearable will not only be unveiled earlier, but will also come in different sizes to cater to a wider range of customers. It seems that Samsung is fully committed to this new category, as previous reports have mentioned that the device will incorporate various health features to make it an even more enticing purchase. Currently, E! News states that the Galaxy Ring is still in its prototype stage, but based on the latest information, it should be ready to ship before Samsung's second Unpacked announcement. Given its compact size, designing the device shouldn't take too long, although there will likely be a significant amount of work involved in developing the software. According to the report, Samsung's upcoming offering will come packed with a plethora of features. The Galaxy Ring is not just your ordinary smartwatch. It's packed with incredible features that go beyond just measuring blood flow. Rumor has it that it will come with ECG monitoring, sleep tracking, and even the ability to control other devices and make wireless payments from a distance. But that's not all. Samsung is also working on a competitor to Apple's Vision Pro, and the Galaxy Ring is said to seamlessly integrate with an unnamed AR headset. We're still waiting to see what advantages that will bring. So why did Samsung choose the Galaxy Ring as their next big thing? According to Tian, this wearable can be comfortably worn for long periods of time and provides a complete digital health profile. Plus, it's incredibly convenient due to its small size. Samsung is clearly aiming high in the health technology sector, especially with their plans to beat Apple in bringing non-invasive blood glucose monitoring to their smartwatches. Apple has been struggling with this feature, but Samsung hopes to make it a reality within the next 5 years. But for now, all eyes are on the Galaxy Ring. With 8 different sizes mentioned in the report, Samsung is looking to cater to a wide range of customers with a personalized fit. We're curious to see how refined the software will be when it launches. So, what are your expectations for the upcoming Galaxy Ring from Samsung? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to stay tuned to our channel for more updates. Until next time, peace out.